is done, and we've crossed the line. Your indecision is taking over every time. Your pride, my anger, a situation